Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Ashish and this video I'll teach you about the anatomy of palate. The word palate in Latin means roof of the mouth. So that forms a partition between the nasal and oral cavities. So if we try to explain this in simple words, suppose this is a building with two floors. The first floor represents the nasal cavity and the ground floor represents the oral cavity. So the partition between the two floors is actually the palate. So here you can see the palate is divided into two. That's a hard palate and the soft palate. The hard palate is bony and soft palate is muscular. So suppose this is the palate schematic diagram. The anterior 4/5 is actually the hard palate, while the posterior 1/5 forms the soft palate. So the hard palate is bony structure, while the soft palate is a muscular structure that forms the posterior 1/5 of the palate. In this video, we'll have a general introduction to the development of the palate. The detailed video of the palate corresponds to that of the development of the face. So both the face and the palate develop simultaneously and the developing structures are the same. So I request you to watch the video on the development of the face to have better understanding of the development of the palate. In the upcoming videos, we discuss about the hard palate and the soft palate separately. So let's start with the development of the palate. The palate develops from 5 processes. So in the development of the face, I told you there are 5 processes involved in the development of the face as well as the palate. That are the 1 frontonasal process, 2 maxillary process and 2 mandibular process. So in total we have 5 processes. Okay. Now these process, out of them frontonasal process and the maxillary process forms the palate. Suppose this is the frontonasal process. The detailed diagram of each step I have already discussed. Kindly check out the video of the development of the face. In that you can have the base of the development of the palate. Okay. Now suppose this is the frontonasal process that is forming the nasal septum as well as the sides of the nose. Okay. So this is actually the 2 nasal cavities, and this is the upper part of the mouth that you can see, the upper half of the mouth that is formed by the 2 maxillary process. The 2 maxillary process give rise to a aperture or the sidewise process that is called the palatal process. So the palate develops in 2 stages. The first stage is called the primary palate and the secondary stage is called the secondary palate. The primary palate is also called the premaxilla. Okay, the primary palate is also called the premaxilla and is formed by the frontonasal process, while the secondary palate develops from the palatine process of the maxillary process. Okay, so this is the maxillary process that we discussed. Maxillary process, and these apertures arising from the maxillary process are called the palatal process or just simply the palatine process. Palatine process. Okay, so we have 2 palatine processes that are going to fuse to form a single structure. Actually you are viewing this from the front. If you see from the top, it will appear something like this. 2 plates are approaching each other. Okay, 2 plates are approaching each other. So these plates are nothing but the maxillary process and the palatine process. So these are the maxillary process, and the approaching plates here are signifying the palatal process or the palatine process. As you can see, as the development continues, the nasal or the frontonasal process fuse with the palatal process, and that will lead to the formation of the future palate. So what you have to remember in this case, in the development of palate, is that it develops from mainly 2 processes, that is the frontonasal process and the maxillary process. Frontonasal process forms the primary palate, while the maxillary process which part, the palatine process, forms the secondary palate. If we talk about the development of the hard palate separately, it is formed by the fusion of the primary palate with the secondary palate. Okay, so the primary palate that is formed by the premaxilla. If you look into this diagram, this is actually the final result of all these process going on. So this is the anterior side. You can see the premaxilla or the primary palate that is fused in a different Y-shaped manner with the sidewise process that was the palatine process of the maxillary process to form the hard palate. So hard palate is actually the result of the fusion of 2 plates, that is the primary palate and the secondary palate. These structure over here are the incisors teeth that are formed by the primary palate or the premaxilla. What about the soft palate? The soft palate develops from twofold. that grow posteriorly from the posterior edge of the palatal process. So suppose this is the posterior edge of palatal process. It gives rise to two folds, okay, two muscular folds that fuse in the center to form the soft palate, and the last thing to develop in the soft palate is the vulva. So this is the last structure to develop in the palate. This detail we will be discussing when discussing about the soft palate separately. And what about the process of fusion? The process fuse these two processes, that are the two palatal process along with the premaxilla, fuse from anterior direction towards the posterior direction. The fusion is occurring, suppose this is the anterior side and this is the posterior side. The fusion is occurring in the anterior side first, then it is proceeding towards the posterior part. And what about the clinical cases? If the development fusion is not correct, it will give rise to cleft palate. Cleft palate we are discussing separately. It's of different types, complete, incomplete, and we have further subdivisions in both cases. So we're discussing this in a separate video. So if you like the video, hit the like button, and we'll discussing about the hard palate and soft palate in the upcoming videos. So please do subscribe and share channel.